Dealing with mental health issues can be complex and easily overwhelm a person. A person going through a divorce, quitting a job, dealing with the death of a loved one, such things can be challenging, especially when emotions come into play. Simply put, a person can feel very overloaded. How to deal? Journal writing is an excellent way that can help a person to unpack their issues and problems, see things in a better light, and put together a plan to move forward. Dr. Ted here, and welcome back, or welcome to the channel. Today's topic, how journaling can help deal with mental health issues. For some people, writing down their thoughts may make them wonder, how can this help them? Especially when they're going through a divorce or dealing with an addiction. Some might find it disturbing and painful to write about their thoughts. Quite understandable. People tend to want to avoid pain, but the more we suppress our pain, our thoughts, the more they tend to reappear and can become more robust in their intensity. We need to overcome this. We need to break free. Problems can be intense and very mentally driven. Using cognitive strategies such as problem solving, reassessing, and acceptance are very helpful. Reassessing, for example, can help reframe or rethink an event, helping to lower levels of negativity, thus increasing levels of positivity. For example, I'm losing my job next week. Life is terrible. Instead, say, losing my job won't kill me. I will only find a better job. Ask yourself whether this is that terrible. Writing out such positive statements and questioning beliefs can help you reshape your thinking and see things more in a positive light. Positive writing can focus on the positive aspects of a person's life, the positive experiences that they have during the day, or the personal strengths that they possess that allow them to, for example, overcome challenges. For example, what are the positive experiences that you've had today? Think on your work day today or your school life. Did you do something that really allowed you to be successful? Or did you just have a good day? What made it a good day? Positive writing allows for this reflection of the positive aspects of one's character or their living situation, what they encounter every day and what they are able to overcome. People start to develop over time when doing this writing better access to their internal resources in terms of abilities that they have, mental processes, skills, and talents that allow them to achieve their needs, but also to overcome problems. They see, for example, in the past that they were able to overcome things, challenges. Therefore, they see, I have these abilities, I have these skills, I can do it again. Let's call this positive potential. The more you recognize your potential for dealing with problem situations, the easier it becomes to deal with them, thus allowing you to shorten maybe negative moods that you would have when a situation comes up that is not good or a problem situation. Positive writing tips. Think about your day. Think about your week. What went well? Write it down. Have regular times for writing and regular spaces for writing. So that could be maybe first thing in the morning, you go to the table, you got your journal out, you're doing your work. Kind of get you into that routine, that groove. Practice this writing 4 to 7 times at least a week. Get you moving, get you going, get you into that routine. In addition to positive writing, expressive writing or expressive journaling can help. This type of writing enables you to better see and understand issues that perhaps you did not before. With this new insight, you can better plan your life based on this newfound understanding. When working with people over the years, I've come to notice that they can become very consumed in their issues and emotions, which cause them always to be up in their heads. Getting these issues out of their heads and onto paper or onto a screen can make things more concrete versus, again, being always up in your head and having various scenarios and ideas always coming in and out. People, when they have things written down, they can see things as more real, maybe before that they didn't see. For example, John has been unhappy with his job for years now, but makes ongoing excuses to continue on with it. He starts to write out his feelings and thoughts. He starts to see for the first time that despite all his attempts to justify his job, it's just not fulfilling. His reasons come out along with the suffering such reasons cause. He concludes that he cannot continue on. Such writing allows for understanding how and why you're feeling the way you do. You can then set goals to move beyond your present position, or in John's case, beyond his present job. Writing allows you to uncover truths or problems that perhaps you are not fully aware of. You become more knowledgeable about these internal resources that you have that can help you deal with issues more confidently. Goal setting allows you to move forward and beyond your current state of dissatisfaction. Journal writing is free and accessible to all. Give it a try and see what you discover about yourself. As always, wishing you the best mental health wherever you are in the world. Until the next video, take care. I better get back to my journal writing. Want more content on mental health? Have a look at this video.